Hi, in this video I will show you the interfacing a key with Renesas RL78 MCU using an internal key enter function. So let's quickly we'll create a new project, file, create new project, then select your part number. I'm selecting here R5F 100LE which having the 64 KB ROM and RAMs 4 KB. Project name, interfacing, create. Once you create a project, in your left side you can see in project tree pin configurator, code generator and file. So quickly we generate a code. Here code generator, fix this setting, clock setting 2.7 to 5.5, block diagram, on chip debug setting. This you required when you are using a hardware. So now I have a hardware which having a debugger E1. If you have any other debugger, you can select the E2 Lite, E1, E2 or E1. Okay, keep the other setting as it is. So this watchdog timer I am not using now, so I am unuse this one. For the key interrupt, here interrupt. In interrupt, there is a two types of the interrupt is there. Here external interrupt and key input interrupt. So now we are connecting a key, a switch, you can say button, to your controller. So here key input interrupt. Now you can see here 8 channel is available from KR0 to KR7, and this channel which is connected to a port number 70 to port number 77. Now I am connecting my key to port number 70, so I am using KR0, port number 71, port number 72, KR2, port number 73, port number 74, 6 or 7, like this. I have interface all this key. Okay, now generate this code and make it in reflecting pin. So reflecting pin only you can see where your pin is connected. So this arrow is inside of the MCU, means these four keys are using. So suppose key I don't want to use some keys, so I am not using 5, 6, 7. Again generate it, again reflecting pin, and if you see again, so there 3 pin are now unused. Okay, now we will see here many files, main file, system initial file, clock file, interrupt file. In interrupt.c file you can see key create function, key start and key stop. Here in key create there are some register is available. For a more detailing for this register, you can refer the Renesas hardware manual. In this hardware manual, this chapter number 17 is a key interrupt function. And understand this first, this is available only more than 40 pin. This is not available to 20 pin to 36 pin. And when you see the block diagram, here block diagram KR0 to KR7 which connected to this gate and which gives only the one input interrupt. So in next we'll see how to detect which port is pressed in software. while the interrupt is generated. Okay, this comes in software. So now let's start a key. Just paste it here. Again, build it. Firstly, we will see this is on simulator if you don't have a hardware. After that, we will see it on a hardware. So for seeing, what we will do, we will take here this. When the key is pressed, that time you interrupt is generated and it comes in this function. This function is static void near r underscore key interrupt. Okay, so what we will do, we will increase here count. So once the interrupt is triggered, that time our count will increase. Correct. So again, build it and download it. Once your code is downloaded, that's all. This only the simple key program for the key we have written to increase the count when the key is pressed. For this, what we'll do, we'll put this in a variable in watch window. This is a watch window. Once you downloaded your program, this simulator GUI window will open. Now you have to connect a key to your port number 17 or 72, whatever. Okay. Now what to do, we take the only one key. Double click on it. Then again, suppose can write here key 1. Okay. Here port number 17 we need to set this key as 0. This active high, which type of the key you are using, push or toggle. Okay. After that, run this code. Now when you press this, your count will increase, means your interrupt is successfully generated and your count is increasing. Okay, so let's see it is on hardware. Let's close this. Now what should you do for the debugging on hardware? Here RL78 simulator option, right click on it using debugger, select which debugger you are using. RL78 I have, E1 I have. So here in connect setting, we are giving the supply from emulator side. So just on it. So we are giving the 3.3. Again download it. For seeing this count variable in runtime, you need to do one setting again in the RL78 even double click on it in debug tool setting. This execution by stopping execution, just on it, yes, make it. Then again download it. If you forget this option, then here question mark will display. Now run it again. Now my hardware is connected already to my system. So when I'm pressing the key 1, so count will increase. Same, suppose I press a key number 2nd, which is connected to our port number P71, then also count will increase. So how will you detect or identify which key is pressed? For that, we need to do some programming. For this, what we'll do, we'll take a structure, okay, this key structure, and this press key or press count will take, and this which key, this is also same, will increasing the count, but the other keys, now we have taken only the one key, so we are not able to identify which key is pressing. So I have taken two keys, key 1 and key 2. Okay, which is connect. What we'll do, we'll connect this key, okay, key 1 to your port number 70. Okay, just check whether it is pull up, pull down. So what? Press count, key 1, increment. Again, what we'll do, else if P70 bit number, which one? 1, and here what? 0. Again 0 it, again increase the count. We'll see the difference. Okay, now this count is as it is. We have taken this press count, but in this what we'll do, we are checking if the port is low, that time only this count is will increase. This port is 0 1 will low, this count key second will increase. Download it, build and download it. Okay. Now my code is built and downloaded. So what we will do, we will put this structure in watch window. Now we have two keys, run it. When I press key 1, what will happen? This count is also increased and this key is also increased. 2, 3, 4. Now I am pressing key 2. Okay, now successfully all these two key are interfaced and this count is increasing properly. Now our application is working fine. So here key 6, 7, 13 and both are means comes in 19 minutes. Okay, if you have a more than two keys you are using, you can increase here keys. Okay, so here you need to check all the conditions. Just copy it. Again 2, here count is 3. Same wise you have to increase till all the if else condition you need to take only. Just again build it and download. Now you can see same, we have only two switches, then this other keys will not increase, so only the two keys will increase. You try with another keys. Thank you.